Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Instagram music no result found. So guys, if you want to use music on your Instagram story or on your Instagram reel, and when you want to search any music that you want to use and your search result is no result found, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, now I am going to upload story on my Instagram account, and guys, we can check our problem. So guys, now you can see here. So for example, I am uploading this one, and guys, click on your this tab, and here you can see option of music. So guys, simply you need to click on it. So guys, if you want to use music from here, so guys, you can easily use it. So guys, if you want to make a search, so guys, for example, I am making this search. So guys, now you can see I have the search result related to my search. I have all the songs that I can use on my story. So guys, for example, I am searching this one. So guys, now you can see I have the option of no result found. So guys, the main reason of this problem is your spelling mistake. So guys, make sure that you have the right spelling of that song or of that music that you want to use. So guys, now you can see if you are writing right spelling of that music, then guys you will be able to find that music easily. So guys, after writing your right spell and still facing this issue no result found, then guys simply you need to update your app from Play Store. So guys, you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Instagram. Click on Instagram, and guys, here you will find the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update from here, and guys, after doing update you need to go back, and second is you need to open your settings, scroll it down, click on app management, and guys, after this click on app list, and you need to scroll it down, and guys, after this here you need to find Instagram. So guys, simply then you need to find Instagram here. So guys, if can't find here, you need to search it. So guys, now you can see click on Instagram, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this method your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem and having this issue again and again, then guys you need to open your Instagram app again, click on your main profile, click on three lines, settings and privacy, and help, and guys, report a problem, click on report a problem, and include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem related to related to any Instagram problem. So guys, you can write that you have the error when you want to search any music and facing the issue that no result found. And guys, after writing your problem, simply guys you need to upload any screenshot of your problem, and guys, after this simply you need to click on send. And guys, after sending, within a day your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to use any music on Instagram story or reel. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.